Hello, hi, and welcome to Sandpaper. Mohra apnalokor Ashmita ba and welcome back to the channel. So for the ones june mok prothom bar dekhise karone moi nijor introduction to olopman janai diu. মোৰ নাম Ashmita Rekha Bora. I was rank 9 in Assam Land and Revenue Service APC 2019 batch যোনটো মই নিজৰ ফাৰ্ষ্ট এটেম্পটত ক্লিয়াৰ কৰিছিলোঁ 2019 পৰা 2024 লকে I was with Government of Assam as a circle officer and an executive magistrate 2024ত জুলাইত মই নিজৰ সাৰ্ভিসেছৰ পৰা ৰিজাইন দিলোঁ Sandpaper ষ্টাৰ্ট কৰিলোঁ এণ্ড তেতিয়াৰ পৰা আপোনালোকৰ লগত Sandpaperৰ জৰিয়তে জড়িত হৈ আছোঁ So I talked to the students jar result as expected নহল in prelims and this video is primarily for students jar ebar prelims clear hoise who are going to write mains this time and even if you are someone jone ebar mains nilikhe you are planning or you are hoping to write mains in consecutive days but days to come this is an equally important video for you Primarily for the ones jone ebar likhibo you are only 900 something of you so I really hope that this video reaches you and for the ones jone coming days on aha korise plan korise kosto kori ase je mains likhibo apunalokor karneo etu eta agjanoni so that you can clear or smoothly go through your mains journey in your next attempt So this is something that I have been telling my students please make this your last mains এটো মই নিজৰ কাজিনকো কৈছো who is writing his second mains this time মই নিজৰ ষ্টুডেন্টসকো কৈছো who have been writing mains twice thrice I have been saying this to people who have attempted this for the first time as well this is one statement যোনটো মই আপোনালোককো ক'ব বিচাৰিছো please make this your last mains do not fall into a trap of writing mains again and again and again Mains লিখাটো কোনো এটা ফুৰ্তিৰ কথা নহয় Mains লিখি উলাই যোৱাটো ফুৰ্তিৰ কথা So if you are writing mains again and again and again it's about time যে আপুনি কিবা এটা solidly কৰে যাতে this becomes your last mains তাতে আপুনি কি ভাবিছে কি চিন্তিছে এটো মানে এক্সপেৰিমেন্ট কৰি থকা ঠাইটো mains নহয় all your experiments all your thought processes all your peer checkings all your advices all this needs to rest right now হৈ গল আপুনি জিমান গসিপ কৰিবলৈ আছিল কোনে কিমান মার্কস পাইছে এবাৰ 100 পাব লাগিব 120 পাব লাগিব 115 পাব লাগিব এবোৰ গসিপ আগৰ তিনিবাৰ মই যেনেকে লিখিছো এবাৰো হেনেকে লিখিছো হেবুৰৰ জুনবোৰ আপোনাৰ the inertia of doing mistakes যে আগতেও মই সেলফ প্ৰিপাৰেচন কৰিয়ে দিছিলো এবাৰো দিছাম বা আপুনি আগতেও ফেলো এসপিৰেন্টৰ পৰা চেক কৰাই দিছিলে লাগিলে ইনষ্টিটিউটৰ ভিতৰতে নহক কিয় বাক ফেলো এসপিৰেন্টে তো চেক কৰি আছিল যে ফেলো এসপিৰেন্টে চেক কৰাই দিম বা মই কোনবা XYZ লাইব্ৰেৰী গ্ৰুপৰ পৰা এডভাইস লম বাস হৈ গল you have done enough হেবুৰ সব হৈ গল put it to rest অক্টোবৰত আপোনালোকৰ পৰীক্ষা আছে কাটাই দুমাহ আছে দুমাহ নাই মানে দুমাহ আছে অলপমান দুমাহতকে কেদিন মান বেছি আছে so it's about time যে you take very strong steps to make this your last mains হৈ গল আৰু বহুত হৈ গল make this your last mains I have got students who have given fourth attempt a fourth attempt মোৰ চলে আহিছে fifth attempt মোৰ চলে আহিছে And when I see their mistakes, more enuka lage ki so much time has been wasted on these small mistakes. Kunbe jodi anguliyai dile heten, fourth, fifth attempt goi pabo loga nohol hoy. But then there have been different stories behind each journey. Kintu mur kotha to etai, fourth attempt, third attempt might not tire you. Kintu when I see your paper, mur enuka lage ki ei horu bostu kane third, fourth attempt goi pai ase neki. So please make this your last mains. Please understand that at this stage you have reached mains 41,000 lora soli porikhat 40,000 have been eliminated this is not something that I am very happy about kintu this is a fact 40,000 unfortunately eliminate hoise you are in the game with 900 other people almost equal to 1000 And 8,000 majot 78 are going to be at the last leg. This is the end game. আৰু এণ্ড গেমত যদি আপুনি নিজৰ এই গেম নানে অকল 78টা ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে আপোনাতকে ভাল লিখিব লাগে. জাষ্ট ইমাজিন 1000 বাচ্চে আপুনি বহি আছে, জাষ্ট 78 people have to write the best answers. Just 78. You think যে your answer say 78 better answer নোলাব? You think so? If you think so, তেতিয়াহ'লে very good, congratulations on your confidence. But if you do not think so, get the best guidance. Obviously, moi to kome no, I am the best guidance. There will be other people also who will be telling they are the best guidance, but you have to choose who is the best guidance. Logically and only on the perspective of guidance. Kune kiman apunak personally sabo parise, kune apunak sentences sai dibo parise, kune apunak grammar sai dibo parise, kune apunak answer korise no korise sai dibo parise, kune apunar karne available ase, ne eta large group of people e কিছুমান চ্যাট জিপিটি মডেল আনসার উলাই পেলাই আপোনাৰ লগত চাই আছে. চাওক, চ্যাট জিপিটিৰ পৰা আনসাৰ চোৱাব যদি লাগে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপুনি কিয় বেলেগক পইচা দি আছে? If you want your answer to be checked by a group of fellow aspirants who have got ChatGPT enabled model answer, যোনে চাই চাই আপোনাৰ পৰা চেকে কৰিব লাগে, वो পইচা কিয় দি আছে? ChatGPT Pro কিনি লওক. If you are only wanting to get it checked by a group of fellow aspirants, যোনে AI generated answer লৈ পেলাই আপোনাৰ পৰা points মিলাব, then আপুনি AI পইচা দিয়ক. সেই গ্ৰুপটোক পইচা দিব কি দৰকাৰ আছে fellow aspirantৰ? So if you want to get guidance, find out suitable people who will guide you through, who know what they are doing, jar formula বেলেগৰ কাৰণে কাম কৰিছে, who have specifically been proven to break mains loop. Baki ma nazano, I and Sandpaper have been specialized to break the mains loop. And this is not the first time I am saying so. Etu apuni amar toppers or mukhor pra hunibo. Majority of toppers from Sandpaper came out of its crash course mains answer writing program. Kyunki joabar ami handful of foundation bachcha loi humaisilo. Amar prothom bochor asile. Ebar we have got a quite big lot of foundation people who are writing mains. I am very hopeful, fingers crossed. But you need to choose where to go. Jodi femo kochuna jodi eta group, eta faceless group. Jeneke kunba hedna mo koisile ki gomu na pao kune check kori ase. এটা কপি এটা আনসার কোনবা বেলেগে চেক কৰে, ইটো আনসার কোনবা বেলেগে চেক কৰে. যদি আপুনি হেনেকা ফেসলেস মানুহে চেক কৰা যাক আপুনি নাজানেও কোনে চেক কৰিছে, ইউ ডোন্ট নো দ্য কোয়ালিফিকেশন অফ পিপল হু আর চেকিং ইয়োর পেপার, দেয়ার ইজ আ পসিবিলিটি কি হু ইজ টেকিং ইজ লেসার কোয়ালিফাইড দেন ইউ. মেন্স লিখাই নাই চাকে. There might is there because you don't know who is taking the paper. So যদি আপুনি হেনেকুৱা এটা গ্ৰুপত পইচা দি, like you know we are paying for that service of nameless credibility najanas people who are checking your paper, then you know what you are doing, you know what is your shot. If you really want to make this your last mains or not, that is on you. Kintu these are some things junto ami amar time ot saisilu, junto moi expect koru ki mur nijor bhaiti bhantik to moi etwe ko, even if I would not have been in this ecosystem telling you these things, moi nijor bhaiti aru bhantik etu advice dilu eten ki sai lo kune check korise. There is a probability ki june check kori ase ter credibility apunar saman nohoy. And this statement has been given to by some students to me ki I don't know who they are checking, mujhe nahi pata, I have not seen their faces, I have just heard their voices. One question is checked by somebody else, another question is checked by somebody else, hobo pare ki credibility hai na. And then I am getting inflated marks, going back home writing, and now I am confused, man nazano what is happening. So for God's sake, মই নিজৰ ভাইটি ভণ্টিক যি এডভাইচ দিওঁ মই আপোনাকো হেতুৱে এডভাইচ দিছোঁ. when I was in service, যেতিয়া মোক কোনোবা আহি পেলাই এডভাইচ খোজে মই তেতিয়াও তেওঁলোকক হেতু এডভাইচে দিওঁ. go to credible people, get your answer checked by credible people. বাকি your choice, but please ভগৱানৰ কাৰণে take this shot, the best shot of your mains life. 900 बच्चों का गेम है. যদি এবাৰ আপুনি ভাল শট দিব নাজানে তেতিয়াহ'লে মই নাজানো আৰু আপুনি ভাল শট কেতিয়া দিব. Because this is the least number of people within which you are writing mains. Least number of people within which, তাৰমানে least number of competition. আৰু যদি এটু শটত আপুনি ফালি দিব নোৱাৰে তেতিয়াহ'লে you are going to miss a very big golden chance. So এই মেইনছটো ফালি দিয়ক, এই মেইনছটো নিজৰ বেষ্ট ড্যাম শট দিয়ক. a best guidance লৈ পেলাই আগবাঢ়ক and make this your last mains. So এই ভিডিঅ'টোত মই কি দিম? এই ভিডিঅ'টোত I will tell you the mains loop formula. What is the mains loop formula? Why some people are trapped in the mains loop, because they follow this mains loop formula. Aru etu bostu, it is not something that is unique to one paper. I can look at one paper and tell ki etu sake third fourth mains or student hoy, because the child but the aspirant is trapped in the mains loop, because they are all doing the same mistakes again and again and again and again. Same mistake kori kori goise, and each of the paper has the same mistakes. Moi kisuman chuninda mistake dekhuabole try korisu. In no way I am trying to say ki ye student is not good, this student is good. In no way I am saying that. But I am telling you the kind of mistakes I find in the papers juntu motar ahi pai. So if you are doing any of the mistakes juntu moi itia dekhuabo goi asu, it's high time that you A, rectify it. A, you rectify it. B, take a guidance day. Take a guidance. Hoi golaro. Make this your last mains. Make this your last mains. You might not be tired when I listen to stories. Mood enuka lage ki how is this child not tired? And it's commendable that you are trying again and again and again. But eke bhul rastad again and again and again koi thakile destination nahoy he tate phosi thakibo ghanchakkar type. So make sure that this is your last mains, and মই কিছুমান series of errors আপোনালোকক দেখুৱাম with proof that this worked out, this didn't work out. So আপুনি নিজে analyze কৰি ল'ব which category of student are you, যোনটো category বা যোনটো mistake আৰু correction মই দেখুৱাম, and depending on that you decide whether you want to go ahead with the best guidance or you want to get trapped again and again and again, or kya karna hai. Okay, start. Number one error I found is of structure. So initially, moi jetia first answer copy saisilu, so I was very surprised that 99% of people were having the same structure. And those 99% of people were the ones who are also trapped. Kenuka dhona structure? Enuka dhona structure. I don't know whether this worked in the past. Maybe it did. Maybe this kind of structure worked in the past. Maybe it did. Moi nazano. But this time, but nowadays, this structure is not working. Is not working. This is not even an answer. This is a note. This is a note. Whatever is happening here, the student who has written it is intelligent. তেওঁ জানে কি what he is writing. I think I gave some question on PM Gati Shakti, amalgamation of this, that how it addresses port infrastructure challenges. Okay, so I am pretty sure the student, whoever it was, they know ki te ki likhi ase, but look at how it is written. Prothom kotha, it looks like there is zero effort. It looks like there is zero effort. It looks like this is not a answer. It looks like a page from your notes. Duta শব্দ লিখিছে, some random example. চাৰিটা শব্দ লিখিছে, দুটা শব্দ লিখিছে, one random example, দুটা শব্দ লিখিছে. There is no proper structure, no proper example, no proper sentences. And this is not this year's answer. This is last year's answer. This year to bachcha bilake likha arambo dise hai. This is last year's answer. And this answer I have seen in so many people, especially the ones june multiple times mains likhise. Moi dekhi kobo paro ki this is an old style. Etu kabar karne kaam korise 2021-22 keteba etu kaam korise, and kunuba topperer pora etu dekhise jab ye style naya tha, tar pora aji 5 বছরে একে style repeat হৈ আছে যেতিয়া বাকি বিলাকে কিন্তু আপগ্রেড কৰি ললে like this. This is an ACS toppers answer from our foundation. This is an ACS toppers answer. Okay, teo ACS pale ebar one ACS toppers answer. So ইয়াত কুৱেশ্যনটো তেওঁ নিজে লিখি লৈছে আৰু ডিছকাছ দ্য ৰোল অফ নামঘৰ এজ ইনফৰ্মেল ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অফ গভৰ্নেন্স এণ্ড ডিছপিউট ৰেজলিউশ্যন ইন আছামিজ ছ'চাইটি। নিজে কুৱেশ্যনটো লিখি লৈছে, ধুনীয়াকৈ ইণ্ট্ৰ' দিছে, ধুনীয়াকৈ ইণ্ট্ৰ' দিয়াৰ পিছত নামঘৰৰ কথা লিখিছে, এণ্ড দেন শ্বি ইজ ষ্টাৰ্টিং নামঘৰ এজ এন ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যন অফ ডিছপিউট ৰেজলিউশ্যন, বিকজ ইয়াত দুটা আছিলে, গভৰ্নেন্স এণ্ড ডিছপিউট ৰেজলিউশ্যন। এইটো জাষ্ট ফ্ৰণ্ট পেজ, এটা পেজ দিছোঁ মই। তাৰপিছত ডিছপিউট ৰেজলিউশ্যনৰ 1 দিছে, ফুল চেণ্টেঞ্চ লিখিছে, দেন এক্সাম্পল দিছে, এনাডাৰ ছাবজেক্ট ছেকেণ্ড ফুল চেণ্টেঞ্চ লিখিছে, এক্সাম্পল দিছে, এণ্ড দেন শ্বি ৱেণ্ট অন। What we see in the second answer is A, there is effort. গম পোৱা গৈছে কি কোনোবা চৰকাৰী নটিফিকেশ্যনৰ নিচিনা দেখা আনচাৰ হয়, দেখাত সেনেকুৱা হৈছে যে এফৰ্ট দিছে এ, বেটাৰ ষ্ট্ৰাকচাৰ হয় বি, এনেকুৱা লাগিছে কি তেওঁ বহুত her whole idea about an answer she has put. Everything she wants to express, she has expressed because she is not lazy. एतो तो lazy answer लगसे ना, 4 पेज 4 word का एक point, 2 word का एक point. She is not lazy. She is expressing everything she wants. There is an example, there is a separate point, and duta dimension or duta separate लिखसे। यार next page she also wrote as an institution of governance. दुटा बेलेग बेलेग के लिखी से। So you need to find out which format you are. যদি আপুনি হে 21-20 চনৰ ফৰমেটটোত লিখি আছে, and I don't know when did this first format came in style, because আমাৰ টাইমত we wrote this format. আমাৰ কাৰণে this format worked. I wrote in this format. আৰু এই ফৰ্মেটৰ লাষ্টত এটা ডায়েগ্ৰামো আঁকো, বিকজ ফাৰ্ষ্টত আঁকিলে মোৰ জেগা নিমিলিছিলে। চ' উই ইউজ টু ৰাইট দিছ ফৰ্মেট। আমি পটক এক্সাম্পল লিখোঁ, চেণ্টেঞ্চেছ লিখোঁ, ফুল এক্সপ্লেনেশ্যন দিওঁ, এণ্ড উই ন' যে আ পইণ্ট ইজ নট এন এক্সাম্পল ইজ নট আ পইণ্ট, both are in like relationship with each other. But ये style कब आ गया मैंने, like when did this style come to trend? And it is trending अभी 5 साल से, even when this style is not working. Abhi bhi, today also I am getting people who are forcibly putting in flowchart in every answer, when flowcharts are not even for answer. This is what? This is a flowchart. This is a flowchart. Maybe it worked at a time when people were not scoring that much. It did work. But now it is not working. And you need to change it. You need to change it. You need to address it. If you are someone who is doing this, then my dear friend, it's about time je apuni mains loopor pa otorabo kane nijor structure to change kora. This is something that is out of trend now. This is something that is working, and A. Sheet Khan is of an ACS topper, okay, of our own institute. This is sheet is of ACS topper of our own institute, जिसको देख के लगता है कि this is some बच्चा who deserves the ACS. Now let's go to second topic. This is one exam. This is one point যোনটো মানে মই যেতিয়া I was making this video মই বহুত মানে কেনেকৈ বুজাওঁ এই পইণ্টটো, কেনেকৈ বুজাওঁ, like 99% people are doing this. এইটো কেনেকৈ বুজাওঁ, and the 1% who are not doing is are inside the service. They're inside the service. If you really think যে APSC is such মানে ইমানেই APSC ইনক্ৰেডিবল ইনষ্টিটিউট কি আপুনি আলু ভালু লিখিলে মাৰ্কছ পাব, প্লিজ আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড আপুনি আলু ভালু লিখিব, আপুনি আলুৱে পাব আৰু আলুৱে পাবই, সেইটোত মই মিন্স কৰা নাই। মোৰ তাত লিখিব মই আলুৱে দি আছোঁ। That day I got a student who wrote some essay he is writing, তাৰপিছত মাজত লিখিছে you will be shocked to know that, essayটোৰ মাজত লিখিছে you will be shocked to know that. Why will I be shocked to know that? And some ISRO example he wrote. You will be shocked to know. Let me tell you a fact. What is this? Let me tell you a fact. क्या है ये? What is this first person? Let me tell. What is this? What is this? मेरा दिमाग का दही हो गया. Let me tell you a fact that will shock you. You think the examiner will be shocked by your ISRO example? That examiner is someone who is far more qualified than you are. What kind of drama are you wanting to create? ये क्या drama है? Let us discuss. One statement, fine. Let us discuss, or in this essay we are going to discuss blah 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 blah. Done. What is this drama? Let me tell you what to do. Let us see. You will be shocked. What is this? Then somebody told me कि someone taught you जे किबा essay editorial और निस्ना देखा बाबू लगे. Which editorial is telling you? I will tell you a fact which will shock you. Please show me one editorial, be it in Hindu, be it in Indian Express, which is let me tell you a fact that will shock you. Please let me know. Because I, by God's grace and by Assam Tribune's association, write a column every Friday. And I see also columns being written. I see the editorials being written. I see the main page articles being written. I have never found a statement. I will tell you a fact that shocks you. What kind of drama is this? Who is teaching you to write first person karke? You are telling the examiner कि let me tell you a shocking fact. Or you are telling the examiner let us discuss. You are discussing with the examiner or you are putting your thoughts in an essay. It is unimaginable actually for me that somebody যেতিয়া মোক কৈছে কোনবাই কি এনেকে শিকাইছে কি দুজন মানুহৰ মাজত কথা পতা নিচিনা essay হ'ব লাগে. When this came to me, मैं तो मैंने মোক কৈছে दिमाग का दही. My actual expression was what? Because you talk to someone who is an English major or something, you will not find this is not how you write essays. Which essay are you finding which tells, let me tell you a fact? Who is telling you this? And then you will score 110, you will score 120, and then you will say कि पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है, what is happening, I don't know. I know what is happening. You are telling the examiner that you will shock him or her. And the examiner ka dimag is becoming dahi. The ones who are not doing it are scoring 190, 194, 186, 184. They are scoring that. Also, another point that I am finding out, a lot of students think essay is a bunch of random examples. What? For example, Kalida Porohi, I told you, okay, I gave an essay ka topic, just kiba contribution of women and henuka kiba for example, dhori loisu ma apna koi diu aro. Contribution of women in Assamese society na kiba beleg dhone disilu kintu crux of the matter etu asile contribution of women in Assamese society. Okay? So moi pahori golu kar asile obviously, but I remember the mistakes. Because ठीक है बच्चे ने सही शुरू किया किबा किबी इंट्रोडक्शन दिले, then the person was jumping from one paragraph to another paragraph just quoting one high achieving women. How? ইয়াতে বোলে পূৰ্ণিমা দেৱী বৰ্মন বাইদেউৰ কথা লিখি দিলে, ইয়াত তেওঁ কিবা লিখি দিলে, আমাৰ বিৰুবালা বাইদেউৰ কথা লিখি দিলে, ইয়াত আমাৰ আইদেউ সন্দিকৈৰ কথা লিখি দিলে, আইদেউ সন্দিকৈ বাইদেউৰ কথা লিখি দিলে, ইয়াত তেওঁ ৰীমা দাস বাইদেউৰ কথা লিখি দিলে, ইয়াত তেওঁ লভলীলা বৰগোহাঁই. এক মিনিট ৰকিয়ে. Does Purnima Devi Baido and her exemplary achievements reflect the contribution of all women in Assamese society? Do you think so? Or contribution of Lovelina Borgohain Baido shows the contribution of all women in Assamese society? Do you think one woman performed exemplary in her lifetime and we are very proud of it? It reflects the whole performance of Assamese society. Do you think so? And this is only not one of it. I will show you. This is one essay which came to me last time. Okay. An unexamined life is not worth living. Etu mane kiba last aha essay. A essay tut baru several issue ase. I don't know kahan se ye essay aaya. I told the child corrected uske baad. Bullets to nohoye baru. But bullets pe dhyan mat do. That is not what I'm asking. I am telling you how the student is jumping from one example to another example to another example to another example. Bullets pahori jauk. Bullets the child correct kori lole. But I am talking about the example se example. In this quote, the court examined Socrates kotha likhile, thik ase, good life, In this quote, he has suggested one, thik ase, okay. Who has left their personal comfort and desire for welfare of the masses. Thik ase. Tar mane I understood that the child understood what is the crux, that an examined life is not worth living. Then the child started from one example to another example to another example to another example. And this is not only this child's issue. This is the kind of essay I am finding in 99% people. মানুহে ফিলচফিকেল এছে যে লিখে ভাবে ফিলচফিকেল এছেত মই 15টা ৰেণ্ডম এক্সাম্পল থ্ৰ' কৰি দিম বঢ়িয়া এছে হৈ যাব তাৰপিছত 120 পাব 110 পাব এণ্ড দে উইল কমপ্লেইন কি ক'ত ভুল হ'ল মই গম নাপালোঁ আমি গম পাইছোঁ ন আপুনি ক'ত ভুল কৰিছে and I am not even blaming you because I have been told by my students ki some random person taught you to write like this je conversational let me shock you boli likhok je let me tell you one very interesting fact boli likhok somebody is telling you ki examples se bhar do alu likho bhalu likho if somebody is telling you that I am not even blaming you but you should be smart enough যে after second বা third attempt আপুনি বুজি পাই যাব লাগে কি কিবা মেজৰ হেভি ইস্যু হৈছে ন মেইনছত কিয় ফচি আছো বাৰে বাৰে কিবা তো মেইনছ হেভি ইস্যু হৈছে চ' সেই হৈছে টু আইডেণ্টিফাই নিজে কৰিব লাগিব নে মই নিজৰ ইগ'টো ধৰি ৰাখি থ'ম আই হেভ আণ্ডাৰষ্টুড মই কৰিমেই এইটো দেন ইউ উইল আগেন ৰাইট মেইনছ So you will have to understand if second and third attempt ke baad you are getting stuck somewhere kiba dangor gondogol hoise either identify yourself or show it to some person who is an officer already or show it to some credible mentor who can give you personal attention time lagibo pare but personal attention edu kya hai মানে the bacha improved after this of course he improved kintu jeta first time I got this and this is just an example I have got this time also I have got student aji kotha patisu mo student logot who have written this and this dekh ke mera dimag ud gaya one example after another example what is that example is not your GS answer your example is not your essay content please understand an example is an addendum what is addendum you add it masala hai wo chawal nahi hai and if you are trying to make masala to chawal banai khabo pet mein dard hoega this is your pet mein dard so if you are writing this way I don't know what you are doing apunar kotha write again and then you see what's happening I will show you another essay this is an essay which is of another topper and this topper got 194 in his essay eta to pehle dekho handwriting and everything okay and you see how neat and clean do you see is he throwing random examples no eke philosophical essay likhise no man is an island eke philosophical essay likhise दुनिया के life has started 3 billion years ago koise in this essay we shall discuss about various dimension blah 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 likhise apart from that then he has taken his first subheading first dimension second to his second subheading likhise third subheading likhise he's just going on and on with content not with example je apart from cellular instinct to survive the need for emotional connection almost imperative right from the birth of an infant he's explaining aapko words mil rahe hain aapko explanation mil rahe hain you are getting content যে ফার্স্ট ইমোশনাল ডাইমেনশন হেৰি কৰিছে তাৰপিছত পেৰাডক্স অফ মডাৰ্ণ কালচাৰ কৰিছে তাৰপিছত ছ'চিয়েল থ্ৰেড অফ ইণ্টাৰডিপেণ্ডেঞ্চ কৰিছে লুক এট দ্য সাব হেডিংছ কি তামাম সাব হেডিং লিখিছে look at the subheadings and this student who is now an officer has got a 194 in his essay inko 194 nahi milega kaise milega you will not see one example randomly thrown see he has actually addressed the topic je no man is an island to enake gute example to emotional dimension to dise modern culture ki paradox ase moi tek advice korisilu modern culture to pisole loi jabo karone because this is anti climatic in nature I hope he has done it of course he must have done it nahi to 194 is not a joke তাৰপিছত social thread of interdependence to ওপৰলৈ আনিব দিছিলোঁ এই এণ্টি ক্লাইমেক্সটো পিছত পঠাই these are the small adjustments I gave but basic funda this is a 194 scoring essay and this is an essay which a person is writing again and again so you choose which part are you from and then you move ahead third part not answering the question this is one of the biggest mistakes that I find people doing I have got feedback of very important people very very important people related to APSC answers who have pointed out this exact thing. Pointed out this exact thing. যে students are answering what they want. যোনটো তেওঁলোকৰ ইচ্ছা, যোনটো তেওঁলোকৰ ইচ্ছা। যেনেকৈ যোৱাবাৰ এটা কুৱেশ্যন আহিছিলে GS3 যে why is AFSPA a draconian act? Why is AFSPA a draconian act? হয়নে? এইটো GS3 কুৱেশ্যন আহিছিলে। Students were answering what is AFSPA? पूछा है आपको what is AFSPA? Has the question asked you what is AFSPA? ঠিক আছে, আপুনি দুটা সেন্টেন্স AFSPA what is AFSPA এক্সপ্লেইন কৰিছে ইন্ট্ৰোত বা বডিৰ আগে আগে, and then you are jumping on to explain যে why AFSPA is a draconian act. क्योंकि your question is why AFSPA is a draconian act. You are writing what is AFSPA, where is AFSPA, what are the changes being brought in AFSPA. पूछा है आपको, you are being asked. If you are not being asked, why are you choosing things that the examiner is not asking? Apuni goise in a hotel and the menu mein you have been asked ki mujhe mane I want boiled momo, like normal momo. Apuni boiled momo mane buji na pale, so apni thusi dile no let's boiled momo mane buji pabo. You want Szechuan momo, ঠিক আছে, আপনি গৈ অর্ডার দিলে Szechuan momo, আপনি Szechuan শব্দটো বুজি না পালে, যেনেকে ড্ৰেকনিয়ান শব্দটো লৈ পেলাই বহুত কনফিউজন হ'ল, সো আপনি জি বুজি পালে হেতু লৈ গল, আপনি গৈ পেলাই লাইক ফ্রাইড মোমো দি দিলে। Is this the same thing that the person who ordered? Is Szechuan momo and fried momo the same thing? If you think so, then you are up for another mains ka journey. Another mains likhne ke liye taiyar ho jao. If you feel je what you feel, alu likho bhalo likho. If you feel je apni alu bhalo likhit hoy ahibo, hati gura bag bhalok likhit hoy ahibo, ekdom pura phala phali marks, moi to paper bhori disilu, e bhorisile paper, eneke bhorisile paper. Draconian act খুদিছো কিন্তু what is AFSPA লিখিত হৈ আইছো, then you are up for another mains round. बोलने का क्या है? And you are in a position যদি এইবোৰ বস্তু আপুনি ঠিক নকৰে, you are up for another mains round. And there is no mincing of words about it because studente এইবোৰ গলতি কৰিছে, মোৰ চকুৰ আগত কৰিছে. And this is my responsibility to tell you, and I will be as rude as possible. नहीं तो আপোনালোকৰ মাইণ্ডত কিবা ধৰণৰ এটা খয়ালি পুলাও পকি থাকিব যে আপুনি তো সব ঠিকই লিখি থৈছে, বাট নাই লিখা ন, নাই লিখা। আপুনি ক্ৰেডিবল মানুহক দেখাওক, গম পাব আপুনি কি লিখিছে। যদি ক'বাত লিখি পেলাই আপুনি 170 পাই আছে, 180 পাই আছে, ফালি দিলোঁ ভাবি আছে, দেন এক্সামত গৈ পেলাই ধাৰামকৈ পৰি গৈছে, দেন you know what you have done in your prep. তাৰ মানে your preparation was not right. Your preparation was erroneous. So erroneous preparation about durole ahok 900 something lora suliye mains likhibo, and coming days to come also, the ones who have not qualified this time or not appeared this time but you are planning to do so in days to come, silok, because your next attempts but next mains is also supposed to be your last mains. Just every mains you are going to write is supposed to be the last mains. Example, this is one example of a question. So this question is something into my last year mains answer writing on prothombar, like first question I'm making everybody write. Which eminent personality has inspired you the most in your context of ethical conduct in life? Give specific example. So what am I expecting? You will give some specific example from the personality's life and compare it with one incident that happened in your life. 15 marks. So eminent personality ঠিকে আছে, Swami Vivekananda choose কৰিছে. I am specifically inspired by his quality. প্ৰথমটো I am not okay with this I, but যেহেতু you বুলি questionটো সুধিছে, because this is not the kind of question that will come in APSC. মই just বুজিব try কৰিছো কি this is the world's simplest question, and a world's simplest question to এটা ষ্টুডেণ্টে কেনেকৈ interpret কৰিছে. These qualities influence my life, my day to day life. Acha, okay. So truthfulness has always been a question. For example, when in school, one exam I prepared to buy a pen from a shop. I reached the shopkeeper who is asking about you. Who is asking about you, what you did in your shopkeeper, what did you do with your pen, what did you, the whole story you told. I don't even know ki whether this is a truth or not. So is this a story writing contest? Is it a story writing contest कि मैं लिख दूंगा and हो जाएगा? I ask ki what is the example or what are the examples from the eminent personalities life which you were very inspired with and you implied in your life. I am an aspirant having less money spare, even though I am always trying to help. I don't know what was being understood. And the bacha improved. Yes, very less, because the bacha eventually wrote very less, but jo bhi ho. But this is just one. Enuka nohoy ki he is the only one or she is the only one. There are a lot of people. My answer potokke bisari na palu. So whatever I got, I threw it. Okay, I am asking you something and you are writing something. Some crazy thing you are writing. And you are very happy because I too wrote. And 99% students are not even understanding ki teoluke question to satisfy korise na nai kora. Because sobore mathat ketaman bostu humai ase. Ki humai ase? Ko moi ki humai ase mathat. A 4 pages bhoribo lage. 4 pages have to be filled. Apuni bhabise apuni jata bosture gibberish mane ki jata bosture apni 4 pages bhori dibo and marks pai jabo. Do you think so? If you are thinking so, then get ready for another means बैठना पड़ेगा, because इस बार तो 78 best people are getting in. 78 best people are getting in. অকল 78 জনে ভালকে লিখিব লাগে. Only 78 people need to outshine the rest of the people. Rest 900 plus people যোনকেইটা থাকি গ'ল তেওঁলোক another they will be sitting for another means. Because you are thinking যে 4 pages ভৰি দিম হৈ যাব. You are thinking যে example throw কৰি দিম চলি যাব. You are thinking যে এনেকে flow chart বনাই দিম চলি যাব, কিউকি once upon a time চলিছিলে. You are thinking যে হ'ব আৰু মোৰ লগৰে চাই দিব হৈ যাব. চাওক অকল 78 জন মানুহে বেষ্ট শ্বট দিব লাগে and you are outshined. অকল 78, only 78 people need to outshine you. Only 78. बाकी बच्चे रह जाएंगे. So this is your shot. This is your shot. Least number of people are writing mains. Jodi itia you don't want to give your best shot, pata nahi. Last, handwriting. This is the paper of a topper. Sir is of a topper. Okay? And enuka nohoy ki suddenly topper hoise amar student. Day one of them I gom paisu ki bacha has topper quality and she indeed got topped. But the cadre she got into, I thought she will get into a cadre which is more popular and her desire as well. Because her answer had everything that is required for a topper answer. Fact likhise, data likhise, report dise. Tar pisod organic bolsa tea, unique example dise. Complete sentences di nijor example likhise. Data dise, kiba dise, source dise. Dunia sob star player. This was her innovation. Star player. This was her innovation. Challenges likhise dunia. Problem? Their handwriting to iman dangor asile ki she had an issue with space management. Teo yatkeও বেছি content লিখিব পাৰিলে হেতেন, but because there was a space management, teo last of all এনেকে খিচিমিচি হল, because she had a issue with space management because of the size of the handwriting. So I am not expecting ki apuni ekdom handwriting pura tor for bodlai dibo, because it is too near to the exam to do that. But the point is ki a space management to ami koribo janibo lagibo. This is a topper answer. And this is one topper answer. I felt day one ote ami jano ki this bacha is going to top, and day one ot jeneke bhabiso top korise, kintu whatever she could do, ei kobat space management or something got stopped. So hetu eta apnalokok কোৱাৰ কথা যে স্পেচ মেনেজমেণ্টটো যাতে আমি ভালকে কৰিব পাৰোঁ. আদাৰৱাইজ আপুনি যোনটো বিচাৰিছে ডেট মাইট নট হেপেন বাই আ স্লিভাৰ অফ মাৰ্কছ. চ' এইটোতো তেওঁৰ মানে ফালাফালি আনচাৰৰ ওপৰত স্পেচ মেনেজমেণ্ট. যদি ইয়ৰ আনচাৰ ইজ নট ফালাফালি, তাৰ ওপৰত ইউ হেভ স্পেচ মেনেজমেণ্ট, বিকজ ইউ হেভ ডিচাইডেড টু পুট ওৱান বিগ ডায়েগ্ৰাম হিয়াৰ এণ্ড লাষ্টত গৈ বোলে খিজিমিজি হয়, তেতিয়াহ'লে চাই লওক. তব দেখ লো হাউ আৰ ইউ প্লেনিং টু ৰাইট. So these are the 4 things which I feel is the most important, and I have shown you with examples. Okay, I have shown you with examples what people are doing to remain in mains. এই অকল মেইনছ বুলি যেতিয়া মই কওঁ মেইনছ বুলি কোৱা নাই when I'm telling mains I'm also meaning interview okay when I'm saying mains loop I mean interview loop also if you're giving interview once twice thrice you are also falling in the same point because কোনেও interviewed বেয়া marks পাই পেলাই loopত নফচে even if you're getting 90 something in your interview যদি আপুনি মেইনছ ফালি দিয়ে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপুনি ওলাই যাব আইভ গট ফ্ৰেণ্ডছ ইন মাই অ'ন বেচ যোনে ইণ্টাৰভিউত 90 চামথিং পাইছে বাট GS মানে কিবা মেইনছ ফালি দিছে চেম কাৰ্ডাৰ এজ মি চ' ইফ ইউ আৰ চাম ওৱান হু আৰ ইন দ্য মেইনছ লুপ যোনে মেইনছ বুলি যেতিয়া কওঁ আই মিনিং ইণ্টাৰভিউ লুপ এজ ৱেল এণ্ড ইউ হেভ ডান দিছ ফলোয়িং থিংছ তেতিয়াহ'লে চাই লওক আই এম টেলিং ইউ উইথ এক্সাম্পল কিয়া হৈ ৰহা হে So for the ones who are giving this time, it will go 25 or like 24 hoye ase. I am letting you know how we can help. So we have 2 courses by Sandpaper for mains and Sandpaper knows mains. Hetu aru mane by experience ahise something we know je formula is working. Whatever we are teaching to students, it's working. We have got toppers from 4th attempt. We have got toppers on 1st attempt as well. 4th attempt, amar logot 1st attempt. 4 attempts they have given, amar logot 1st attempt. 4 attempts they have given 1 cadre, amar logot 1st attempt, cadre improved. So we have got something, juntu koisu, hetu can work korise, trial and error nohoy etu. We don't have a bunch of students, jak moi chat GPT di pela answer ulai diu ba, thik ase Claude rakhlo, Gemini rakhlo, answer di disu, bohi check kor dise, we do not operate that way. I single-handedly check. I don't even give initially to Gyandeep because he is a little liberal with marks. So towards the end of the heri, jeti apunalokor error bur komi jay, officer mentor Gyandeep comes in. But initially for 1.5 months, I am the one who is giving you 30 out of 125, who is giving you 40 out of 125, who is sitting with you, telling you sentence by sentence ki a sentence to bhul hoise, a sentence to enuka korok, apuni digholia sentence likhile apna grammar bhul hoy, apni sentence to midway break korok, etu korok, hetu korok, you come with your answer, I'll sit with you for 1 hour, I will show you where you are going wrong. Because mains is the real game. And apni jodi mains ot siposami kori diye, jodi mains or apni bhabi loy ki tetia hole mains or lupot phosi thaki jabo. And I am rude to you because you have a shot of being an officer. This is your golden shot. If you don't take this shot, I don't know which shot are you planning to take because this is your golden shot. So a shot to lock, take the best guidance possible. Amar crash course ase, answer writing something I take care of. Crash course, we have 4 officer mentors who are comprehensively taking things up. যোনে আপোনালোকক এনেকুৱা কন্টেন্ট দি দিব যোনটো শুনি পেলাই এ আপোনাৰ বোম্বাৰ ইন্টাৰেষ্টিং লাগি যাব বি আপোনাৰ কন্টেন্ট ইমান হৈ যাব কি ইউ উইল বি ইউজিং দ্যাট কন্টেন্ট এনিৱেৰ আৰু প্লিজ আণ্ডাৰষ্টেণ্ড যে এনেকুৱা নহয় কি GS-ত মই কৈ নহয় যেনেকৈ টপিকছ লাইক ইণ্টাৰনেল চিকিউৰিটি টপিকছ লাইক ছ'চাইটি আপোনালোকে ভাবে কি আমি কিবা এটা পঢ়ি ল'ম আৰু কাৰেণ্ট এফেয়াৰ্ছ পঢ়ি ল'ম আৰু হৈ যাব Day 1 or moi koi asu current affairs is addendum, current affairs is like example, your core is different. Internal security has concepts, society has concepts, it has concepts ki Indian salient feature of Indian society has a thinker. Internal security border management has some very very updated material. Concepts thake, concepts. International relation has concept. আপোনাৰ এথিক্সটো বাৰু ক'বই নালাগে এথিক্সটো বাৰু আই অনলি টেক কেয়াৰ এছে আপুনি চকুমুদি নিলিখে পেষ্টেল ইজ নট এছে सिर्फ पेस्टेल लिख के ठोप के आ जाएंगे बहुत सारा एग्जाम्पल नहीं আপুনি পেষ্টেল লিখি পেলাই এছেড এক্সাম্পল থপি আহক অকল 78 টাইপ ফালিব লাগে 78 টাইপ ফালাকে প্ৰিপাৰেশ্যন কৰি ল'ব আবৰেহ যাওগে another means so it is on you whether you want to update your content, you want to update your answer, you want to get the best guidance because আমি ইয়াত 200% কষ্ট কৰি আছো we are available on phone, we are available in office এনেকুৱা যোৱা বছৰ কুৱেশ্যন চাই লওক जो পঢ়ায়া হে আখৰে আখৰে আহিছে so it's on you যদি আপুনি সিপোজ আমি কৰিব বিচাৰিছে বেলেগক দেখুৱাই ল'ব বিচাৰিছে this that on you but please understand যে জিউ কৰে You need to get out of this loop. This needs to be your last mains. This needs to be your last mains. আৰু সেইটো মই ডে 1ৰ পৰাই কৈ আছোঁ, this needs to be your last mains. So আপুনি চাওক, whatever works best for you, whatever is the best way possible, and please make this your last mains. বাকী বহুত ৰাতি হৈছে. I really hope it reaches the right people. বাকী মোৰ ক'ব লগা একো নাই. In case you are my student, whenever you need me, I am there. You know that. On call, on text, in office. कैसे भी है. In case you want to be one of our students, very welcome. And specifically if you are someone who is in the 3rd attempt, who is in the 4th attempt, মানে এইটো মোৰ দিলৰ মানে দিলি ইচ্ছা বুলি যোনটো কয়, I really feel that I can push you through. বাকী it's your call. বাকী কি ক'ম, I'll come again with another topic. Till then, like, share, subscribe, Sandpaper Academy for Civil Services. I'll see you in the academy.